Okay, hey guys, where are we going?
To the beach to find some shells.
To find what, Sailor?
To find some shells.
Seashells?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what are we gonna put them in?
A bag. A bucket.
You wanna go get a bucket?
Yeah.
Okay, go get a bucket from the garage. Let's go. All right, guys, where did we go?
To donuts.
To the donut shop?
That's all we got.
They look really yummy.
I want that one and that one.
You want two?
Yes.
Whoa.
I'm gonna sprinkle that.
All right, guys, what do we have?
Our bucket, our pail,
Uh-huh.
and then our shovel.
What do you have?
My shovel and my pail.
What do you have? Shells? I love it. Let's see. Ooh. What? Oh, sure. Go get water. Sissy, what's your favorite part about the beach?
Going in the water.
In the water. Oh, you found a good shell? I love it. Thank you. Put it in your bucket. What happened? You're stuck. How did you do that? Whoa.